Welcome back to Around the Armstrong Table. Today this dish is inspired by my pops. Cajun Shrimp Stew with Cheddar Bay Biscuits. I'll just watch the process on this one. Alright, so we're going to start this dish off by working on my holy trinity. So we got some onions, some bell pepper, and some celery. We're going to get that diced up finely because we got to get to the most important part, which is the roux. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I thank you guys all for continuing to watch. Back to the video. I went ahead and chopped up some garlic as well. And I'm going to go ahead and get a large skillet on my stove with a good bit of oil, and you probably want about a third of a cup, maybe a little bit more. And you want to also come in with the same equal parts with some flour, and then you want to stir. And in about 15 minutes, you'll have this beautiful peanut butter colored roux. Okay. Add that holy trinity into the pan, and again, you want to continue to stir because you want to coat all of the veggies with that roux. Quickly season it up with some salt and pepper. And again, you get back to mixing it up. And we're going to continue to layer this. So we'll come in with our garlic and we'll continue to stir and get that incorporated in. Next, we're going to add in some tomato paste. And you can use probably about a teaspoon or so of tomato paste. And then it's time to get all the good parts in here. So we're going to come in with some Tony Saccharin, some Old Bay, and we're going to layer this up with several different spices, some garlic powder, and we also need to add some smoked paprika to this, and that's going to be the foundation of this stew. Next, I'm going to add some sherry cooking wine, and if you can, get a really good bottle of sherry. That's going to add some sweetness in the background, and it just adds a great depth of flavor. And now it's time to come in with our liquids. So we're going to add about 2 cups of chicken broth, and if you see it getting a little bit thick, just go ahead and add a little more chicken broth. We added some bay leaf, and now that it's come up to a little bit of a simmer, I'm going to start adding my potatoes. And the way you know this dish is right where you need it is when the potatoes start to get soft, and that's when you add the shrimp in. Okay, so we're going to get our shrimp dried. Obviously they're cleaned and deveined. And then we're going to season those guys up with a bunch of different spices, very similar to what we had before. The only difference is we didn't have the lemon pepper in the previous seasoning. So now that we got the lemon pepper in there, I'm going to add an extra depth of flavor with a little bit of vegetable bouillon that I mixed with a little bit of water to thin it out. So I poured it right into the stew. And we just want to let this cook for just a minute. Now that we got it cooking, we're going to add those shrimp in, and I'm telling you, it's going to be absolutely delicious. So this dish was inspired by my dad because my dad used to always tell me that he used to dream about recipes. And as a kid, you think, really? Come on, man. But he wasn't lying. He had some really good recipes that should be coming on the channel soon. So next, we're going to go ahead and get these Cheddar Bay Biscuits going. And this is just following the ingredients of the box, guys. I am not a baker, so I just made the way the box tells me to make it. But I will learn my own recipe at some point. And 15 minutes later, you got some beautiful Cheddar Bay Biscuits. You top it off with that butter and the mixture that comes into that package. And I'm telling you, these are going to be absolutely delicious on top of that delicious stew. So now that the stew is all bubbling up, it is go time. It is time for us to go ahead and plate this bad boy up, and I want you guys to enjoy this dish. And look at that. I mean, come on. And I'm telling you, my wife loved this dish. It was delicious. She had no words, the same way I had no words. And then with the biscuit, it soaks up all of that delicious broth at the bottom. And you want it to where it's not thin, but not thick. So that's why it's considered a stew. top it off with some fresh parsley. And I'm telling you, you got a winning dish. So I'm gonna go ahead and get myself a bite of this. Again, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Facebook. I really thank you guys for all the support. I'm just trying to bring you good dishes. I love the suggestions that was on the Facebook page. So I'm gonna keep them coming. Thank you guys.
Absolutely.
Have a good one.